Hello, my name is Jason Lee, and these are the codes for assignment 1. And this is the to-do class, and these are properties for the class: name, description, priority, is complete ID, and project ID. And this is the overriding toString method for the class. So it prints out ID, name, description, priority, is complete, and project ID. And this is the project class. So these are These are properties: name, description, complete percent, to-dos, and it is the list for the to-do class and also ID. This is the constructor for the class, so it initializes to-dos, and there is also the overriding toString method, so it prints out ID, name, description, and complete percent. And this is the program class, and here is the main function for this program. And there are various variables for this program, and also a do while loop from here to here. And there are 10 options: create a project, list of projects, list of to-dos in a given project, delete a project, update the project, and create the to-do, delete the to-do, update the to-do, list of to-dos, and exit. So it requests the user input, and yeah, it reads the input and sends to the variable choice. And using this try parse, it changes choice, which has the string type, to the choice end, which has the int type. And here is the switch. So it uses this choice int. So case 1 is create a project, so it requests a name and description for the new project, and it initializes the new project object using this name, description. This complete percent is hard coded to 0, and also uses this plus plus item count p, and it is initialized to 0 at the start of the main function. Yeah, so it adds it to the project, which is this list for the project class. And case 2 is for lister project, so it just prints out using for each all the projects in this project list. Case 3 is list our to-dos in a given project. So it first of all, it prints out all the projects in the list, uh, like such as this statement, and it also requests a project to list. So it reads the user input, and it also changes to the int type. So this choice option is used in this first or default function. So it changes the project that has same ID with this choice option, the value of the choice option variable, and it sends the project to this toList variable. Yeah, so it has the reference of the project or just null, because this is the first or default function. And if to list is not null, then it prints out all the to-dos in the project using this for each and console.writeLine functions. And case 4 is delete the project. So yeah, it also, first of all, it also prints out the list for the project, and it also requests project to delete, and it also uh, get our user input and sends to the choice option variable. And it is almost same with this case 3. It also find the project that has the same, that ID has same value with the choice option, and sends the reference to del variable. And if del is not null, then it, first of all, it deletes all the to-dos in this project, and after that it also the list of the project delete this to-del object, the reference in the list, from the list. And case 5 is update the project. So yeah, it is almost same with case 3 and 4. So print out, request user input, and using this parse, it finds a project that has that ID has same value with choice option, and so this to-up is the reference of the project the user wants to update. So if to-up is not null, then not equal to null, then request name and description, and uses these values to update the project. And case 6 is create a to do. So yeah, it prints out all the projects and request user input about the project to add to do, and get this input, and find it finds a project that user want to add to do. So this is the reference for the project, and it also requests user to enter name, description, and priority for the to do, the new to do that the user want to create. So if to add is the reference for the project that the user wants to add to do. So if to add is not equal to null, then it uses this add for the to dos. So this is the list of the to dos for the project, and uses this add function and create and initialize this the object for the to do class, and using this name to do, description to do, yeah, these variables, and it is hard coded to false, and plus plus item count t. Here is the item count t. It is also initialized to 0, and priority, and project ID is choice option, because choice option is the ID of the project that the user wants to add to do. And so yeah, we need to update the complete percent of the project because we added new project which has the the false value for the is complete variable. So yeah, if this the count of the to dos, so the project if the project has no to do, then just assign this 0 to the complete person, this property. And if uh, the count is not equal to 0, so if there is more than one to do in the project, then yeah, so yeah, this is percent. So the numerator is the number of to dos in the project that is completed, and denominator is the total number of to dos and times 100 because this is the percent. And case 7, delete the to do. So it also prints out the project and requests user to enter the project to delete to do. And yeah, also uses this int parse for store default. And the project is this is the reference for the project uh, the user want to delete to do. And if it is not equal to null, then yeah, it also prints out the all to dos in the del project, this project. And it also requests to enter the to do to delete and using int parse and for store default. And so the reference is this is the reference for the to do that is in the del project that the user want to delete. So if it is not equal to null, then we remove this reference from the to dos. So this is the list for the del project, list of to dos. And after that, we also update complete percent for the project because we deleted another project. And case 8, which is updated to do. And it's yeah almost same with other cases. So print out all the projects, we get user input, yeah, in parse and for store default. So up approach project update project is the reference for the project that the user want to update. If it is not equal to null, then print out all the to-dos in this update project and request input for the to-do to update and int parse for store default. So the reference is the reference for the to-do that the user want to update. So it requests name, description, priority is complete, and update these values. We cannot update uh, description practice complete. We can update ID and project ID because this is the key, and this is it must be same with the project that the uh, the this to do object is. Yeah. So uh, after that, yeah, we also update just in case because we changed the this is complete value. So and 9 is list of to do. So first of all, this is just the line for the visibility of these kind of tables. And so first of all, it uh, it prints out the project, the first project in the project this list. And so first of all, it prints out the first project, and it also prints out all the to-dos in the project, and it's going on until the last project. Yeah. And case 10 is just exit, and this is the the management of error. Also, this is for the management of the error. And if this choice int, so the input is 10, then the program ends. So uh, so if I execute this program, so first of all we can create a project like first 111. So we can create one more project. Name is second 222. So we can list our project. So there are two projects, first 111 and second 222, and complete percent is 0 for these two projects, and option 3 is before that we I want to create a to do. So option 6, yes. So project to add to do, I choose one. Name AAA, description AAA, party 1, and I want to add another to do 6 1. Name is BBB, description is BBB, priority is 2, and so we can choose this option 3, list of to-dos in a given project. So I added the to-dos in the project 1, the first project. So if I list this first project, yeah, there are these two to-dos in this first project. So it works well, works fine. And we can delete the to-do. So option 7, project to delete to do, first project. And I'll delete the first AAA to do. And we can list our to dos in a given project. So 3 1. Yeah, there's only one this BBB project in the first project BBB to do. Yeah, and then we can update to do. Update is option 8. Project update to do first. So we can update to, yeah, this BBB. So I will change this to CCC. Description CCC. Priority is 9. Is complete true. So now we can use this. Before that, let's just add another to do. Yeah. So create the to do 6. Project to do. Second project name QQQ. Description QQQ. Priority 8. So we can now use list or to dos option. So in the first project, complete percent is 100% because we updated this value to true. And for the second project, the complete percent is 0 because this is the only to do in the project that we just created for the project, and its completed value is false. And so yeah, we can delete the project. Oh, I can delete first project. So now list our project. Then we have only this one project, and we can we can update project to update the second project name TTT, description TTT, and we can list our project. Yeah, it has changed it to this TTT. Its name is TTT. Yeah, so yeah, the last option is exit. Yeah, I think I have shown all the functionalities for the program. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.